If you're a business owner struggling to make sales and get people interested in buying your product and it feels like work to make a single sale, then this is for you. I can almost guarantee you with 100% certainty, you are not clear on what your niche is and you are not solving a problem within that niche. So I'm going to take you through 5 steps of how you can ensure that you have a profitable niche so you can start making money. Step 1, we're going to go through some self-reflection just to get really clear on who we are, what we enjoy, what we're here to do. So the first thing I want you to ask yourself is, what are your interests? What do you like doing in your free time? What do you enjoy doing just as a human? It doesn't have to be anything special. It could be listening to music, playing with your cat, whatever. What are you passionate about? It could be similar to your interests. These could be kind of like intertwined, really. And then next we have skills and knowledge. So did you go to school for anything? Have you learned anything on your free time? Maybe you know how to code, maybe you know how to draw, maybe you know how to knit. It could be anything, but do you have any skills or knowledge? And then the last one, what are you known for? What do your friends come to you and ask? Or what do you love talking about? Like if you were to ask all of your friends and family, what's one thing you can talk about for hours on end? What would that thing be? Write it down. Okay, step 2, I want you to write down potential niches from the work that you just did in self-reflection. So I'll give you the example for myself. So I wrote down fitness. I go to the gym every day. It's something I'm passionate about. Also very interested in holistic health and medicine. So I have that as my second one. And then I did my undergrad in law for a few years. So that would be one of my skills and knowledge just from going to school. So I have those 3 potential niches there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go and research these niches. Okay, so now we're in the research stage. So I want you to go to every single social media platform that you have, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and type in that niche. You could literally type in fitness niche, holistic health, and just see what comes up. What kind of content is popping up? What sort of people are in these niches? What sort of topics are they talking about within these niches? And then I want you to do the same for Google, just to get a grasp on what's going on and what's relevant in these niches right now. So stage 4, we're looking at problems and opportunities within those niches that we just did that research on. So I want you to go through the comments, forums, literally all the social medias of the niches that you searched. So go through each one, see what people are talking about, see what questions people have, see what's missing, and also ask. So you can get really active in the comment section of those niches that you just searched up on social media and start asking questions. What are people missing? What do people want to see within that niche? What do people enjoy within that niche? Just get that conversation started. Also, a gold mine that no one ever talks about is joining Facebook groups for those niches. So there's literally thousands upon thousands of Facebook groups for every single niche, I promise you, with such great content, insight, lots of problems and opportunities being talked about in these Facebook groups. So if you're looking for something to sell or if you're looking for a solution, this is the key right here. And last but not least, we're on to stage 5, which is creating the solution for the problem. So after you do your research and see what people are talking about, see what people want to see, maybe if there's any missing information or people are looking for help within that niche, this is your opportunity to make that solution in a digital form, whether it's an ebook, a course, a planner, a worksheet, literally anything within the digital product realm. And then you're going to sell it to that niche to make your money. Obviously, there's so much more that goes into it than I can just add in a quick few-minute video, but that's a good basis for you to get started to make sure that you're choosing a profitable niche where you can actually make money and you're providing a solution to a problem and not just creating a product hoping it sells, because that doesn't work.